Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Mitchell Reese, and I am a real estate agent here in Utah, mostly in Salt Lake County, but today we're in Utah County in Eagle Mountain, and a lot of people who are looking to move to Utah like to ask the question, where to move, because they've never been here, or at least they haven't been here much and don't know where it would be best to settle down. Today we're in an amazing place in Utah, really up and coming, still a small town feel, but really getting its roots here. It's known as Eagle Mountain. So there's still a ton of space to build homes, which means you can have your own backyard. You don't see that much these days with Utah. But yeah, if you would like to see more of this home, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this tour right now. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. I think you're really gonna enjoy what value we provide here. So that's my number at the top of the screen. Even if you're not thinking of getting a home with Lennar, just any new construction, you're from out of state, you're from within state, and you wanna relocate, this is the place to go. I'm your guy. I'm your new construction guy here in Utah. So we're in the Antelope Meadows in Eagle Mountain, Utah. This is known as the Oakley. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,634 square feet before the basement is finished. If you do get that built out, 3,209 square feet. These are bigger lots. You have a lot of space to play in, to entertain, and this home is starting at $550,000. You don't see that very often these days, especially with a good sized lot. There's also an office that can be turned into another bedroom. So that, for the price of $550,000, that is really not easy to find with new construction and great location, a good amount of space in your home and with your lot. This is the place for it. So if you are interested in this home, or if you just want to keep enjoying, we're going to let the tour play out. But yeah, go ahead and give me a call. People are calling from all over the country, and I'm helping people all the time with their home purchasing and selling. Thank you so much for coming. I'll catch you at the end of the tour. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. I really love how they decorated this one. I thought it looked amazing. All the furniture give you nice inspiration on what it would be like to live in this home. This home is in Eagle Mountain, guys. This is a great opportunity because Eagle Mountain, there's still a ton of land to build on, and they are building like crazy out here. Homes are still being built with backyards in Utah, believe it or not. This is the place for it. All you people coming from California, I know there's a bunch of you out there. This is one of the great options for you guys. Single family rambler, not looking to have a bunch of stories to be climbing. Yes, there is a basement, but only if you need it. Just a great option for you guys. So even if you're not gonna be necessarily building with Lennar Homes, make sure to give me a call or text. I have people calling from all over the country. I'm helping them every week to get into their dream home in Utah. Even if it's not necessarily their dream home, the next home up, because through real estate, you can build wealth as long as you keep moving up in your homes. So a lot of people decide to work with us because they can get big discounts and save a ton of money when they work with us. Negotiation skills and just knowing how the market works. So make sure to take advantage of that. This is a great opportunity. And make sure to come back to the channel to see more home tours all over Utah, see what the options are. This channel is all about new construction. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.